Hello students, welcome to my online classes. Today we'll see 5 mark questions from surface areas and volumes. Have a notebook and a pen. First question, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meters and 4 meters respectively and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meters, we need to find out the area of canvas used for making the tent and also cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. Now a tent is in the shape of a cylinder. Now I'll draw the cylinder. Next, it is surmounted, means on the top a conical part is placed. Now from the question, the given data, the height and diameter of the cylinder are, the height is 2.1 meters and the radius of the cylinder is 4 meters. And the slant height of the top, that is conical top, is 2.8 meters. Now we need to find out area of the canvas used for making the tent. Now what I'll do, I'll divide the given figure into two parts. One is cylindrical part and one more is conical part. Now our question is, we need to find out whether CSA or TSA. Now if you observe the question, for the cylinder part, the top and the bottom portion are excluded. The canvas is not used for top portion and bottom portion. If top and bottom are not involved, that means it is CSA. The same way, for cone, the bottom portion is not involved. So for cone also we need to find out CSA. Therefore, we need to find out CSA, not TSA. Now, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Therefore, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. The same way, CSA of cone is pi RL. So CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH, CSA of cone is pi RL. Now what I'll do, I'll calculate the CSA of cylinder and CSA of cone separately, then I'll add. Now first part, I'll find out the CSA of cylinder. What is CSA of cylinder? That is 2 pi RH. Now from the given data, height is 2.1 meters. Now they are given diameter as 4 meters. So I should calculate the radius. So radius equals diameter by 2. That is 4 by 2 will give you 2. So radius equals 2 meters. Now substitute the values. Now 2 into pi. No need to substitute the value of pi. At the end we can. Then r as 2, height as 2.1. Next, pi keep as it is. Now 2 into 2 is 4. 4 times 2.1 will give you, that is 4 into 2.1 1, that is I'll write as 21. Now I'll get 84. Now 1 decimal point, 88.4, 8.4 pi. Since it is area meter square. Now second part, CSA of cone. So what is CSA of cone? It is pi RL. Now given radius is same, that is R equals to slant height, given slant height is 2.8 meters. Now substitute the value of radius, that is 2 meters. Now pi value as it is into radius is 2 into slant height is 2.8. Multiply 2 into 2.8, you will get 5.6. So 5.6 pi meter square. Now to get the area of canvas, what I should do? I should add CSA of cylinder and CSA of cone. Area of canvas used to make tent equals CSA of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, plus CSA of cone. What is CSA of cylinder? We got it as 8.4 pi. Next CSA of cone is 5.6 pi. Now add 8.4 pi and 5.65. So what you get is 14 pi. Now substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7. Value of pi is 22 by 7. 7 1 7 2 za. So what you get? 2 into 22 is 44 meter square. So the area of canvas used to make the tent is 44 meter square. Now next part of the question is finding the cost of canvas used. So for per meter it is 500, that is for 1 meter it is 500. In the same way, what is the value for 44 meters? So for 1 meter square it is 500. The same way, what is the value for 44 meter square? Just you need to multiply 44 into 500. For example, if the cost of a chocolate is 5 rupees, what is the cost of 10 chocolates? That is 50 rupees. 5 into 10. In the same way, 44 into 500. So you get 44 into 5 is 220. That is 44 into 5. 5 for the 20. 5 for the 20. 20. 220. 220 into 2 zeros as it is. So rupees 22,000 is the cost of the canvas used to make the tent. Second question. A Gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 Gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 meters and diameter 2.8 centimeter. Now we'll see. Now a Gulab jamun is in the shape of the cylinder. Now I'll write down the cylindrical part. Now At the ends it is hemisphere. At the ends of the cylinder is hemisphere. Now the total length what they are given is 5 centimeter. The total length of the gulab jamun, not the cylinder. So the total length of the gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. Then diameter of the gulab jamun is 2.8 centimeter. Now here we need to find out the volume. So in the question directly they are given, we need to find out volume of cylinder, then hemisphere, again another hemisphere. So volume of gulab jamun equals volume of cylinder and 2 times the volume of hemisphere. Now we need to find out volume of cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder equals pi r square h. So volume of cylinder equals pi r square h. So volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we have two hemispheres. Now we need to find out the volume of cylinder, we need to find out radius and height. Now we need to find out height and radius of the cylindrical part. Height is what we need to be, out of 5 centimeter we need to remove the radius of hemisphere parts. Now I'll find out the radius of the hemisphere, that is r equals, given is diameter, that is radius equals diameter divided by 2, that is 2.8 by 2, will get 1.4 centimeter. Now to find out the height, out of 5 centimeter, that is total length, I should remove the radius of both the hemisphere, that is 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4. So 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4 will give 2.8, sign is minus. 5 minus 2.8 is 2.2 centimeter. So the height of the cylinder is 2.2, radius is 1.4 centimeter. So it is same as the radius of hemisphere. Now the first part, volume of cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now what is radius? 1.4 centimeter. What is height? 2.2 centimeter. Substitute these values in the formula. Pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 1.4 into 1.4, height is 2.2. Now what I'll do, for simplifying, I'll keep the pi as it is. So 1.4 into 1.4, I'll take that as 14 into 14. So you'll get 196. Now what I'll do, we need to put decimal point before two numbers. So 1.96 into 2.2. Now pi into 1.96 into 2.2. So 1.96 into 2.2. I'll remove the decimal points. Now multiply 196 into 22. 2 6 are 12. So that is 2, 1 carry. So put decimal point before 3 numbers. So we'll get pi into 4.312. Otherwise 4.312 into pi. So since it is volume, it is centimeter cube. Now I should find out the volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into pi as it is into radius is 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4. Now multiply. So already we have multiplied 1.4 into 1, that is 1.96 into 1.4. So what you get is So what you get is 2744. We need to put decimal point before 3 numbers, that is 2.744. So 2 by 3 into pi into 2.744. Now if you divide 2 by 3, that is 2 divided by 3, so what you will get? 0.680. So again one more number. So what you get is 0.66 into 2.744 into pi. Now we should multiply 0.66 into 2.744. So what you get? 1.829 pi centimeter cube. Now here we need to find out volume of two hemispheres. So 2 into volume of hemisphere, that is 2 into 1.829 pi. So 2 into 1.829, what you get is 3.658 pi centimeter cube. So that is volume of two hemisphere. Now volume of jamun is what? So volume of gulab jamun is volume of cylinder plus 2 times the volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of hemisphere. So the volume of cylinder, what we have found out is 4.312 pi. Now 2 times the volume of hemisphere was 3.658 pi. Now add these two. So to get 7.97 pi. Now I'll substitute the value of pi. 7.97 into 22 by 7. So multiply 7.97 into 22. Otherwise substitute the value 22 by 7 as 3.14, then multiply with 7.97. So 7.97 into 3.14. So if you multiply, we'll get 25.02 centimeter cube. So volume of gulab jamun is 25.02 centimeter cube. Now the second part, the volume of sugar syrup is, so we need to find out volume of 45 jamun. That is 45 into volume of single gulab jamun was 25.02. So 45 into 25.02 will give you 1126.16 centimeter cube. So volume of 45 gulab jamuns is 1126.16 centimeter cube. Now the second part, volume of sugar syrup. It is 30% of gulab jamuns. That is 30% of volume of 45 gulab jamun is, so 30% of volume of 45 jamuns, that is 30 by 100 into volume of 45 gulab jamun is 1126.16. Now 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Now 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3 into 1126.6. If you multiply these two, we'll get 337.18. Now the approximate value will get around 338 centimeter cube. So volume of sugar syrup is 338 centimeter cube approximately. So students, listen all the formulas from the textbook, practice more similar concept based question from the textbook, and know the difference between CSA, TSA and volume. CSA only the surface area, TSA surface area with top portion and bottom portion will give you total surface area, then the quantity will give you the volume. Have patience when you're solving this kind of questions. So thanks for watching.